Drink milk with these 10 foods. And I'm sorry to say this, but you're risking your health big time. Milk. The pure white drink that we have always associated with good health, strong bones, and a nutritious diet. But what if I told you that drinking milk with certain foods could actually be harming you more than helping you? This isn't just another health myth. In fact, science has proven that some food combinations with milk can lead to severe digestive issues, nutrient absorption problems, and even long-term health risks. Some of these combinations are so dangerous that they can trigger allergic reactions, food poisoning, or even increase your risk of chronic diseases. So before you take another sip of milk with your favorite meal, stick around because you might be making a mistake that could cost you your health. Growing up, I was always told that milk was the ultimate health drink. My parents insisted on a glass every morning, and I never questioned it. I would drink it with everything: cookies, fruits, even spicy meals. But as I grew older, I started experiencing unexplained bloating, stomach discomfort, and sometimes even nausea after eating certain foods with milk. For years, I ignored it, thinking it was just normal digestion issues. Until one day, I ended up in the hospital with severe stomach pain. That was the wake-up call I needed to finally dig deeper into what was really going wrong. I spoke to nutritionists, read scientific studies, and tested different food combinations on myself. What I discovered shocked me. Milk, despite its many benefits, does not pair well with several common foods. The effects range from mild discomfort to serious health risks, and most people have no idea they are making these mistakes every single day. So let me take you on a journey through my experience, the struggles I faced, and how I finally learned the truth about these dangerous food combinations. One of the biggest mistakes people make is drinking milk with citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, pineapples, anything acidic. I used to think that a healthy fruit salad with a glass of milk was the perfect breakfast. But little did I know, the acidity in citrus fruits reacts with the proteins in milk, causing it to curdle inside your stomach. This can lead to indigestion, bloating, and even vomiting in extreme cases. Ever had a weird stomachache after eating an orange with milk? Now you know why. Another shocking combination is milk with fish. Growing up in a coastal town, seafood was a big part of my diet. I often paired it with a creamy milk-based sauce, thinking I was making my meals more luxurious. But this turned out to be a serious mistake. Fish is packed with protein, just like milk, but the two do not digest at the same rate. Combining them can lead to an overload on your digestive system, resulting in nausea, allergies, and even food poisoning in some cases. No wonder I always felt heavy and sluggish after those meals. But the worst offender, and the one that nearly sent me to the hospital, was milk with spicy food. I loved spicy curries, and I thought milk was the perfect antidote to the heat. But what I didn't realize was that milk and spicy food together can cause severe acidity issues. The fat content in milk can trap the spicy compounds in your stomach for longer, making the burning sensation worse instead of better. One night, after an especially spicy dinner, I felt an unbearable burning in my chest. It turned out I had severe acid reflux, all because of this so-called soothing combination. Then there's the classic mistake of milk with bananas. This one really caught me off guard because bananas and milk are often promoted as a perfect post-workout drink. But in reality, this combination slows down digestion and can lead to fermentation in the stomach, causing gas, bloating, and discomfort. I used to drink banana milkshakes all the time, thinking I was being healthy. But once I cut them out, my digestion improved dramatically. Chocolate and milk sounds like a match made in heaven, right? Wrong. Chocolate contains oxalates, which can interfere with calcium absorption from milk. I used to drink hot chocolate every night, believing it was helping me sleep better. But in reality, it was making me lose out on the very calcium that milk is supposed to provide. Over time, this can weaken your bones instead of strengthening them. And let's not forget about milk with salty foods. I loved pairing milk with salty crackers or cheese. But salt interferes with calcium absorption and can cause an imbalance in your body, leading to kidney stones in the long run. I learned this the hard way after a painful visit to the doctor, who warned me to cut down on salty milk combinations if I wanted to avoid future kidney issues.